for Simon Rusk. His only previous senior role was at Stockport in 2021. That didn't last long, it was under a year. Could he guide Southampton so far? Now, Simon Rusk makes 5 changes to the team that beat Stoke in the last round of this competition. Archer chasing in front of him, and Kelleher a little uncertain, but played their way out of trouble. And now here comes Nunez at the other end. Slip from the goalkeeper. Steady from Nunez. Liverpool lead by a goal to 0 from end to end, and they sweep it home clinically.
And it's composed, isn't it? We said about Kelleher not had many of the touch of the ball, but look at the composure here. Just look at the touch from Jan Bednarek's, the run from Darwin Nunez, and this is the one that just slows and takes all the pace out of the ball. McCarthy slips, and then it all goes wrong. It's just a matter of making sure that you pick your spot, which Nunez does, but it's that big touch, just takes the sting out of everything. And look at that, it's a simple tap-in for Darwin Nunez, and he'll think his Christmas has come early, and he would say it's a perfect start, isn't it, for Liverpool?
Yeah, McCarthy once he'd slipped. Here's McAllister, now Cody Gakpo. Beautifully done by Gakpo, and crashed home by Harvey Elliott, and Liverpool already have a foot in the semi-final. Elliott drifting into space and picking out the bottom corner.
Good positions, but this is well worked from Liverpool. Gakpo, Endo, Gakpo, and then a clever ball. This touch is brilliant, just takes the sting out of the pass that's come in. It's not a great pass actually, but then just composure and just drills it. There might be a slight nick on route to goal, makes it even harder for the save for Alex McCarthy. Is right, man, he just gets the final touch, but I think it would have been a tough save for McCarthy to get anywhere near that, and it was a poor ball, wasn't it, from Darwin Nunez. It just slows everything down. They're in a 3v3 situation. I think it's just picking that pass out.
McAllister with the shot that's tipped behind, and just as we were critical, they very nearly made it. Manning it is to curve it beyond everyone. That's a shame for them from a promising position. That does it as well for the first half, a half in which Southampton started well, but then Liverpool proceeded to dominate.
But interesting where he ends up getting involved and what position he ends up playing. Looks like it's going to be on this right-hand side.
You better believe there is! They are right back in this! Fired by Archer! And Saints halve the deficit!
And this is just down to Liverpool being a bit sloppy in possession. Endo giving the ball away, and let's talk through Cameron Archer's finish, because this is top draw, it really is. He's spun away, yes, it's fortunately come to his feet, but he's got 2 defenders coming towards him, gets it on his favoured right foot, and so there's only one place he can stick this. He's got to put off.
Simon Rusk will be feeling great right now, he really will. Another great ball in, oh, fantastic save, Kelleher, and Morton hooks it away. They were so close to making it 2-2. Southampton are on the charge. Sugawara. Oh, great take! Fantastic block, Kwanzaa. Behind for a corner, Kwanzaa's in agony. Kelleher made a tremendous save. And
well, Sugawara's come on, and I think his first 2 touches he's made or created something there for first initially for Cameron Archer. It forces a brilliant save from Kelleher, and then brilliant work where another ball's flashing. What a save that is. From credit to Southampton in this second half. They've approached it brilliantly, I feel.
They're giving it away here though. Chiesa suddenly is interested. Jota picks him out. Chiesa! It was going wide anyway. It's cleared away.
Well, Jota does absolutely brilliant. Puts it on a plate for him, really. I mean, look at the gap that he can slide that into. He completely pulls it across, doesn't he?
And now it's Sulemana, final couple of minutes. Can he get away from Dans? He can. Flung in towards the far post, diving header. Chance for Breton Diaz, but he didn't catch hold of it.
I'll tell you what, he's been absolutely magnificent since coming on.
Now he was off.
Yeah, Brown.
The flag did go up. Substitutions, stoppages, we'll see. But here come Liverpool, trying to render those minutes largely irrelevant with Federico Chiesa. Sugawara with the second one.
Creating this up, but Chiesa, this is what he's capable of, just having that little bit of half a yard sharpness where it's en route to goal. That is, it's a big block. And a double from Ryan Manning getting forward more. Sugawara, who's come on, he's made an impact, played more of a winger than sitting in.
That's lofted downfield, a question of who wants him, or he says no foul. Fernandez went down. I think Simon Hooper's argument is that Fernandez initiated the contact, but
we have a really good view of it. Follows the play up the pitch, but once it comes across, you can see that certainly both got their arm on, but I think, does he just get advanced? I think he's got a big argument there, I really do. I think once you're in front of a defender and you're going towards the centre of the goal, I felt for Harvey Elliott there because he's in acres of space, and just a little flick pass across to him.
Onuachu climbs. Liverpool into the semi-final of the League Cup for the 20th time.